got into kite surfing just to try and find something else that was pretty adrenaline filled rather than motorbikes, which is what I seemed to be getting into when I was younger, and I thought they were pretty dangerous. Somehow kite surfing seemed like it was going to be better, but probably hurt myself a lot more kite surfing. The main thing I like about kite surfing is just getting rid of the brain fog and just being able to relax and just concentrate on one thing, just having a bit of clarity. Hello, I'm Ed from the Big Blue Experience here in Newgale, Pembrokeshire. I grew up in a small village in Johnston. Spent most of my youth just loitering around the beaches of Pembrokeshire, mainly in Newgale. Pembrokeshire's a pretty remote area. Most fun things you can do is definitely to do with the sea. It's good to grow up in Pembrokeshire because there's a lot to do. There's so many different parts of the coastline, rugged places, nice open beaches, lots of cliff jumping to do, just a lot of places just to get the heart pumping. The thing I love most about Pembrokeshire is just Pembrokeshire people are all pretty nice and humble. Everyone chats to everyone, everyone says hello as they're passing each other, and just the absolute beautiful coastline that we live on. It's pretty special. Not many places like it in the world. Pembrokeshire's a pretty sick spot for kite surfing. There's spots to go in pretty much any wind direction. We also get all wind directions. So whatever the weather, as long as there's a bit of wind blowing, you can find a spot to go and head out to. It's also really remote, so there's actually not that many people here. If you go out kite surfing, you can have a 2-mile beach with about 4 or 5 kites. So you never get too crowded. You've always got a nice open space. If you want to learn to kite surf in Pembrokeshire, might not be the easiest place in the world because we've got wind and waves. If you can learn to kite surf here, you can kite surf anyway. The best thing I love about kite surfing is it has opened up my life to a lot of travel, been to some cool places, but I haven't managed to find anywhere that beats Newgale so far, and just Pembrokeshire in general. My heart always lies in Pembrokeshire, and I'll always come back here.